Hi, I'm running 100 kilometres in September to help fund the science to find a cure for paediatric brain cancer. If you can support me in any way, that would be gratefully received. Now, today, A is for assembly language. I know, your brain's already rebelling, so I'll talk really fast. So I actually learnt assembly language a little bit when I was younger, not for any real purpose, I just thought it would be useful to know. I didn't really find any practical application. It was kind of interesting, but it was so much easier to code in higher level languages that were much more powerful. But when assembly language was first invented, it was a huge step forward because prior to that, programmers were using binary or hexadecimal for the commands and to access memory. So they literally had to look up a reference table, find the hex value for a command, and then the hex value for a system registry. Super tedious, very error prone. So adding 1, 2, or 3 character mnemonics for the commands and then similarly 2 characters for the system registries was a massive step forward. So super advanced with assembly language. Now, the fun fact is that the first commercially viable piece of software released by Microsoft was written in assembly language. But the circumstances around that, what the program was and who wrote it, you'll have to stay tuned for the next video. Okay, cheers.